Today we are in Portland, Oregon. It is 10 a.m. We're about to head down to the best coffee shop this city has to offer. It's a 5 stars, as you can see, in this BMW 4 Series Grand Coupe. Let's get to it. Let's just go there. That's what I like about these screens. They're touchscreen. I don't have that in my E-Class, even though it's a little older. How about we set up here? We put it in sport. That disables the on-off feature. We'll take traction off. Oh, I guess you hit here, right? And then I think that's it. Manual mode, I think you just put it in manual mode. That's no issue there. Shit, how do I go back though? There you go. All right, let's do it. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't a fan of these Beamers when they came out, like the interior, but now that I get to like sit behind one, I think I kind of like it. The interior's kind of nice on these. And then what, manual mode, I guess I just sport and then I hit the paddles, manual one. There you go. It says I turn here, so let's turn here. This shit is a little bit weird. This is nice too, and the steering is nice. This is weird because yesterday I was literally in one of these lights where the train track was, and the train was literally coming and it had no intentions of stopping, and some guy told me to he pretty much told me to get the fuck out the way because it was about to smack me. So I don't really understand it. There's like no signs that you can't like be on it, but I guess it's Portland. I guess the coffee shop is here, right around that corner. So I would just park right here. That's one thing about Portland, like everything's like super close. Not bad. Not bad. It's quick, it's peppy. I don't think it's enough for the highway though. But for the streets, these make perfect cars. Nice interior, nice ambient lighting, nice speakers. This one has the Harman Kardon. It's quick, it's peppy. You get in, it just moves, you know. But definitely recommend getting the actual M series for the highways. Catch y'all next time.